We are in downtown or center city Hualien, and I'll take you on a tour of the city here. It's all decked out for Chinese New Year, so it's pretty festive. So let's take a look at this, and I'll show you some of the finer parts of the city here. So you can see how it's all decorated, the lights are up there. We'll walk down a little bit farther here. Of course, Taipei everywhere, they drive a lot of bikes, so that's all that there. Got the stores open there. So yeah, I think I mentioned earlier, Chinese New Year. Oh, I got a little
Yansu chicken, fried chicken.
Fried, so that's just fried chicken. Yangshu ji, fried chicken. You can see how pretty the city looks with all the lanterns up for the New Year. A couple of motorcycles parked here. That's a clothing store there.
Local sunflower is our local produce company.
So that's some of the local clothing there. So this is going to be your local electric company, you know, your TVs, your Dysons, all locally made here. Balloons up and at them.
Produces shoe. Taiwan's shoes is very famous.
Yes.
Yeah.
Taiwanese shoes. Watsons. All the local flowers here. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, there's a bird back there. I'm not sure what that is, but he seems happy, dancing around. See all the local flowers. I'm not a flower person, so I don't know what these are, but if you know what they are, I'll leave them in the comments. All right, we're gonna keep on walking. There's some of the local shops here. There's a local beer distributor. It looks like it's closed though.
No clothes.
No closed. Oh no, it's open. It's just dark out.
Like a fry.
Yep.
Like a fry.
So take a look at the menu here.
Yeah.
You can see it is written in Chinese and English.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very easy to read for the locals and for the foreigners.
Yeah.
They can all come in here and enjoy good drink, good meal. Makes it very convenient, right?
Very convenient.
Yep. Right. Another clothing store over there. We're not gonna let Ruth in there because that's a that's a purse store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shopping store.
Yeah. That's a shopping store. Yeah. We're not gonna let her shop today. All right, we'll walk down here a little bit.
Yeah. This is an old trail. You know, the trails has turned into the shopping street. It usually has the train.
So this used to be, you can see the old train tracks here.
So it's a popular place. But today's Monday, so there are not enough
Yeah, the trains aren't running anymore
Yeah.
because they have, you can see they have the little barriers up there, so no more trains.
Yeah. Yeah.
Walk down this open area here. A nice little mural over there. It's a high shop. Still gotta have the Christmas tree up from Christmas. That's a bar. You can zoom in on that so you can see inside. Does not look that busy. Looks like there's maybe one, maybe two people inside.
Yeah.
This is the Oz Saloon. So people ask whether Taiwan is a dry country. It is not. There's alcohol served in Taiwan. But you can see how it's this big white area here with the shops spread around. So it's a good place to congregate. Lots of space to spread out.
Cuisine. McDonald's in front of there, but we don't have to go there.
You see the 7-Eleven. So 7-Elevens are big here in Taiwan. They are everywhere, especially in Taipei. They're almost on every street corner.
Yeah.
So that's their convenience store here.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
台北没有公那个公馆那家没有啥，但公园就卖这个。
The local shop there. Look like they have some sort of fruits, milkshakes.
Milkshake,
Family Mart, which is open 24 hours. Yeah.
bubble tea, traditional food.
Another little stand here, selling fried chicken. These games are big here. These claw games.
And we play.
Ruth is gonna play a claw game. Let's see if she can win anything. All sorts of little it's black. Oh, you have black tea.
Yeah.
You got little Haagen-Dazs stuff in here. All right, she's gonna play this claw game. See if she wins. Nope. Nope. No luck. No luck. So we're gonna keep walking. You can see how they park the scooters right here on the sidewalk, just because the street parking it's kind of crowded.
Yeah.
So they have to park on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
See a familiar face up there, the Starbucks. Ooh, it's a spooky alley. Yeah. So this would be the center of town here. Starbucks, regular old Starbucks, like used to seeing in the
Sell our products with Starbucks.
sell products and coffee. Pretty much the same.
Right? Just like that.
So this green building here is the post office. So that's the Hualien City post office. And then you have some more stores down there, motorbikes. And then I'll show you just over. This is the This would be like the center square. This is the Hampton part. You got nice little shops over there. Nice billboard here in the center of town.
Go that this way.
Alright, we're gonna cross.
Wait, no. Too rush. Center of city. There is a night market. We can walk around a little. Then we have to go back.
Yep. Night market down here. We'll take a little bit in the night market, not too crazy, because we got to catch the train back to Taipei tonight. So we're a little pressed for time. I figured I'd just show you a little bit of the city here and get you a feeling for how Hualien looks like. Alright, so you have all the shops here on the sidewalk. Little shoe shops. And clothing shops.
Traditional food, xiaolongbao,
There's a little bit of the night market here.
dumpling. Here, you can record.
We got dumplings over here. Just a little bit busier. See all the stands selling different stuff. Herbal tea there. Looks like that's has the fruits and vegetables. That one's dumplings, right?
Yeah.
And there's a little bit of the night markets. They're big here in Taiwan. A lot of people just walk down. You can just walk and look and shop. Plenty of food, plenty of clothing, nice little shops. You can just walk down. Some of them are bigger than others, but they're pretty happening places. Alright, that's a quick little tour of the city of Hualien. Ruth and I have to catch the train to go back to Taipei, so I hope you enjoyed this. A short one, but you know, it's always good to experience new stuff that I've never seen before. So, from Hualien City, here in Taiwan, on the coast, we'll see you in the next adventure.